Hi, this is Henrik. Today we'll finish the lab about Firebase Essentials Firestore Database Write with TypeScript. Okay, let's get started. Don't forget to open filter the preset window. Incognito mode. Click OK. And confirm the tab of service, I agree and continue. And open Console and copy the first task is console Firebase. We open Firebase console and create a new project from here. Get started, create a new Firebase project and add Firebase to Google Cloud project. Click and select your project identifier and accept, continue, 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 and accept your analytics and add Firebase. Okay. Waiting Firebase console creating new project. We next task one is set up your environment in Google Cloud Cell. Copy first comments is your identifier project and set region to use is one region. Okay, so we need set the zone tool. Use the zone from S1 and enable the necessary API. Okay, your best project is ready. Click continue and will automatically to navigate the new project in Firebase Console. Okay, this operation successfully. Create a Firestore database in native mode. Copy commands, Google Firestore database create location name file database default. Okay, it's successfully in code cell, so we need configure your Firebase in code cell with Firebase shell. We need the Firebase tools with npm tools, npm. Okay, waiting is is installing Firebase tools using npm Node.js. Waiting likely 30 until 1 minutes. Okay, 30 seconds to 1 minute to install Firebase tools. Okay, ignore the one. We waiting until Firebase 12 is installed in option. Okay, has been installed, and make the directory of Firebase app and Firebase Firestore app. So after that, we must log in using CLI. Okay, no, no. We open the link here. Click use your account. Okay, allow and copy. Click yes. I just run this command and copy the session ID. Check this is your session ID is same. Yes, same. Here's this my session ID. Don't forget, do not wrong because header is for you. So we must code the session but here. Okay, copy your Firebase CLI token. Okay, success logged in student mana use which is your account. And after that, we must Firebase it. Firebase Init, which is Firebase initiates your project in your console. Select Firestore and functions. Firestore. Click space and functions. After that, submit. Click enter. Use an existing project because before we have been create uh, your project in here. So use an existing project. Use the latest one is the top. Okay, enter. Enter again. We must select TypeScript because we want use TypeScript language. So we don't have use slide. Click no. Yes. Waiting again until it's finished here. Okay, ignore if there's warning. NPA because copy. Okay, we have finished initiation your project first on in your CLI codes. So we need to replace functions as in that case. We can use open editor, the best easiest one. Click here, open the open IDE and waiting with code cell editor. Click Firestore app and says the file function to source index.ts. We're waiting until finish and click functions folders and source and index.ts. Like this, we must replace. Okay, don't forget save. Save here or control save is better, faster. And don't forget change package JSON from provide and copy your config JSON. And go back to your terminal and cd function and fn install. So we need install the newer dependencies and waiting again. We waiting 30 seconds or until 1 minute. So either one, it has been finished and then install dependencies beneath. Okay, don't forget break your project, testing the project is run or not. Win will. Okay, return to Firebase location and Firebase deploy. We need deploy the functions. Okay, functions have been finished running by the possibly. Okay, we are waiting. So after creating the functions in console from Firebase, we can test Firebase functions. We waiting again, likely 1 to 2 minutes. They're waiting. The functions is deployed in your Firebase console. We waiting until the functions is deployed in console purpose. Okay, function have been created right now in here. How many days you want to keep container? Click before, enter, 1 day, and deploy complete. We can test Firebase function list, and we can see what functions in your Firebase project. Okay, there is one function. We can see the code here. In the case, we have one function add message. We can test again. Go back to input terminal. Function where the code function describe add message. We can test if function of add message is log only. We create comments and testing. Message test hello from Jelly and check your Firestore. Click Firestore database. And there is message. Your message is hello from the jelly from this one. So how does the code work? So this for best functions, we create a message, we get request from, we call the function. Yeah, our function, the function describe a message here from this our function and message text. The header is hello from here is the message. So from function URL, with the JSON, and after that is set to your first stop. Okay, if string, okay, if there is message at the your message and lower message we have the link like before added to first stop. If 200 is your message is successfully set your first stop. Okay? At because await get first store collection you message wait and add first store. Okay. Congratulations, you have been finished. Firebase Store Database Write with TypeScript. And left, and you can check your get to get Cloud Function Essentials. Have cream. I successfully finished. Okay, thanks you for watching and see you next time. Bye bye.